Have you ever gone to a coffee shop and been impressed when you got something back that looked kind of like this or this? Well, not only do I drink a lot of coffee, but for the last year of my life, I've been working with it too. I've made hundreds of coffee and have spent a lot of my time learning about it too. So today I'm going to teach you the basics of coffee equipment and how to make some latte art in 6 steps that's going to impress your friends. Before we can start doing any latte art, it's important to learn the basics of lattes and the equipment necessary. Lattes are a type of coffee drink consisting of espresso and milk. Espresso is a very strong concentrated coffee shot which contains a lot of caffeine, perfect for those late night study sessions. But coffee is good for you in other ways too, and according to coffeescience.org, coffee is one of the best sources of antioxidants to keep your body healthy. While some of the items I'm showing to make this espresso drink may be expensive, there are some affordable options for at-home coffee. Forbes magazine explores this in their article, How to Make Your Kitchen a Cafe, where they show readers espresso machines for under $100, so don't be pushed away by the fancy machines I'm showing. In this photo, I'm showing the milk pitcher on the right with a mug, 2 portafilters that hold the espresso grounds in the middle, and the tamper on the very left, which is used to level the espresso in the portafilter. And in this video, I show you the espresso machine used and the steam wand on the right of the machine. Now let's get into step 1, prepping your espresso and milk. Prepping the espresso is quite simple. You use your tamper and push down the grounds inside of the portafilter to make sure they're level enough to create a good espresso shot. And prepping your milk is simply pouring it in your pitcher to the amount you need. I have about 10 ounces of milk here for my 12-ounce latte. Step 2 is pulling your espresso shot. Here, you insert your portafilter into the espresso machine and twist until it's locked in place. Next, you press the button above the machine and allow the espresso to pour into a small glass until it has reached 2 ounces of espresso. It's important here to not let it run longer than 2 ounces because your espresso will start to taste too sour for the drink. And now, step 3, halfway there, is steaming your milk. To steam your milk, you insert your pitcher into the steam wand and pull the lever down on top to start steaming. It's important to feel the pitcher with your other hand to ensure there's a good temperature, and be sure to not oversteam your milk here or else it'll get too foamy to be able to use for latte art. And now all of our materials are prepped so we can make the latte. Step 4 is pre-filling the mug. In this step, you simply pour your espresso shot into the mug. And then you use your steamed milk to fill the mug up about 2/3 of the way full. Step 5, while it may sound kind of funny, is what I call the milk wiggle. To do the milk wiggle, all you have to do is bring your milk pitcher down closer to the surface of your drink. While pulling your hand backwards as seen in the video, you wiggle your hand from side to side to achieve this wavy pattern on the surface of your drink. And the final step to your latte art is to make the final line. Here you see me pulling the pitcher back up from the surface and drawing one line through the middle of the wiggle from the last step. And those are all 6 of your steps. So let's put it all together to watch how it happens all at once. We can see each step and how they all come together at one time. So we start by tamping the espresso and pulling our shot. And here we see I pull my shot, but I also start to steam the milk at the same time. You can tell that I'm testing the temperature of the milk by the hand that I'm placing on the side again, which is a very important step. I also need to make sure to watch my espresso pour at this moment to make sure it doesn't go above the 2 ounce mark that I said earlier. Otherwise, the shot will be sour. When the milk's done, I turn the steam wand off and stop my espresso shot. I'm ensuring that my milk's at a good consistency here. And then I start to prep my mug. I pull the espresso shot in and then start filling my mug about 2/3 of the way with milk. Once that's done, I start the first milk step, which was the milk wiggle. Here you can see my hand side to side and that draw through line right there. And there's all 6 of the steps at one time. And once you master those 6 easy steps, you can create some art for your friends or for yourself. But personally, the best part of latte art is that the designs you can create are endless, and you can always try to learn a new pattern once you get the first ones down pat. So keep on creating, and thanks so much for watching.